say this is one of the most important annual events on circular economy, gathering policymakers but also practitioners, really like a great place to network but also learn about like the latest developments in the field, really be at the source of information and knowledge.
Notre vision de l'économie circulaire au Maroc, c'est une approche tangible et opérationnelle de la mise en œuvre du développement durable. Elle est articulée autour de 3 axes principaux qui sont la promotion des modes de consommation et production durable sobre en carbone, la promotion des emplois verts et surtout la mobilisation des investissements pour des projets verts.
Circular economy is key. It's really changing the way we approach production and growth, and it's really thinking about sustainability, resource use, and consumption.
If we are talking about the circular economy nowadays, as it's an optional or take it or leave it or something like that, but I mean in the future it will be something very obligatory and everybody should look after that.
It's really important to show the message that we need to improve and build our partnership in 3 aspects. That is communication, collaboration, and mutual support.
Because resources will become more scarce and therefore more expensive. So reusability, repairability, upgradability, all these principles that we have now laid down in our regulation probably becomes a necessity.
The EIB can help to remove the barriers that the private sector faces. We use our finance to influence. I'm very proud, for example, that yesterday we launched the shared vision by the multilateral development banks, which is a foundation for our work together on circular economy.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity to have an event like this to bring all the stakeholders together, to make sure that we get all the knowledge around the table and we get the partners to come together on what's needed for Ukraine.
I'm impressed with the level of the speakers here today and that everybody is focused. We're running a marathon, not a sprint, but we all have to work together to help our colleagues, and hopefully events like this can promote dialogue amongst us all.
I'm very happy that within these big issues that concern not just one country, one region, one continent, but the entire world, Albania and North Macedonia, 2 countries of the Western Balkans, were showcased with something very particular, significant, concrete, palpable, which was the roadmap towards the circular economy.
It is a global issue. So it's about a level playing field, because if we want to say, now let's invest in circularity, as long as primary raw materials, and especially plastic because of fossil fuels, are still cheaper than the secondary raw materials that we want to produce through circularity, it's not a level playing field.
It's very important to have an event like this where you coordinate all the pieces of a puzzle, and hopefully we can crack the code and on different places and have the scale for the transformation that is needed.
I have to say that I'm thrilled to announce the creation of the 15 million euros EU Circular Economy Resource Centre. The centre will act as nexus for collaboration across Europe, Asia, Africa, and Latin America.
So the Switch to Green facility assists the European Commission services in organizing a coordination meeting that is taking place today, this afternoon, convening, implementing partners and initiatives that are promoting green and circular economy across the world.
The partnership between the Commission and the OECD has been instrumental in bringing this vision to life. You know, I like to say this is never the end, it's the beginning. So it's an achievement for the roadmaps, but then this is also the basis and the blueprint for future work.